I'm sitting outside and these crazy buzzards still come up to eat and me sitting here. Drink and me sitting here. And these birds are still attacking them. Trixie, leave them alone. I don't know why they stay after the buzzards. It's something these buzzards do that upset them. I guess just existing, maybe. I don't know. I don't really like them coming up here and drinking, but I've been living here the 2 times I've lived in this. Trixie, leave them alone, honey. Trixie says they're not going to drink here. They're not. 10 years both times together. And I've never been able to stop them from coming. And I'm not going to stop putting down water for the other little birds. Here they are up in the tree. They are fussing at them. I'm flying down at them now. Oh, Trixie, stop. I said stop. I'm trying to get a video, honey, of these birds attacking them. These killdeers, I think is what they're called. They may be mockingbirds. I don't know. I'm afraid to move to get a closer video of them up in the trees. And then I'll miss them attacking the buzzards. Trixie, honey, leave them alone. There you go at it again. I'm going to need to look that bird up and see what that is. It's either a killdeer or a mockingbird. The construction noise is still going on out there. Oops, I missed that. There's 2 of them still flying down at them. There it is up on that pole there. And I know when they get up on the roof, they're going to be popping them on the head up there too.